Yan, gustong-gusto ng aso kong ginaganyan siya, oh. Tingnan mo, hinihimas ko, di ba? Ito si JP. Ayan. Isa sa 12 aso ko. Look how happy he is. Thing is, if I stop rubbing his neck or even his head, look at his reaction. See? Kakalabitin niya ako, oh. Parang begging to not to stop. Okay, I'll do it again. Okay, look. Ayan. Grabe, di ba? Ayan. Oh, kalma, kalma, ha? Kalma, JP. Ayan. Okay. Oh. Ano na, tulog na. Napapagod na rin ako. Okay. Okay na? Ha? Okay na. O, ito naman si Bruno. Ayan. Naiinggit. Look. Hi, Bruno. Mamaya, si ikaw naman. After JP. JP na. Okay na. One more? Oh, that's it. Okay, imagine 1 minute of rubbing. Look, he wants me to do it again. Look, oh, look. Anyway, kasi sometimes you really have to do this with your dog. Because, I don't know, sometimes they want to relax. And hindi ko alam kung stress din sila. Pero after I do this thing, later on, they'll all sleep. Siguro, pero out of 12, parang 5 lang yung nagpapaganto sa akin eh. Sana yung malaki na yan, no? Mamaya, lalapit na sa akin yan. Si Bruno, yan yung pinaka-tatay nila. Pero layo ng difference, no? See his face against this. This is one of his sons, should I say? Okay. There you go. Enjoy the rest of my dogs. Some are already sleeping. Okay, thank you guys for watching.